start. A hacker in your satellite. Do you call 911? I don't think so. Just like the police force who have the skills and knowledge to catch a criminal on ground, we need a special team which has skills and knowledge to remove our invisible attacker. Creating a team will be much faster response to get our satellite back. In IT, we call this team as the Computer Emergency Response Team. There has been much research about CERT or incident response teams, but very few are adapted to satellites. Additionally, for our midterms, we understood the different types of cyber attacks that could be possible on a satellite. Our main motivation is to provide a solution as to what happens when the satellite is under attack. Secondly, there is a difference between a space and a ground attacks, and to find the answers for that, we are presenting you with the emergency response team.
Help me. My satellite have been hacked. I am from a big company and we have many satellites and we detected an attack and we don't know what to do. Like with all of our team, we made an attack analysis. For that, we used an attack tree. So we made three attack trees depending on the main steps of the attack. We have the first attack tree for the infection of the satellite. We have one attack tree for the spread of the attacker through the network. And we have one attack tree for the pressure the attacker is putting on our company. For each of these attack tree, we use the cyber kill chain steps, which are like the reconnaissance, the weaponization, the deliver, execute, installation, command and control on the objective. But now we don't know what to do. Do we have to call 911?
No, we are here, the emergency response team, and we are going to help you. So this is the framework that we have that will help you to mitigate the situation. You're lucky that we were doing a tabletop exercise before the attack so that we can prepare for this situation. Now, since we are under attack, I need your help, Alex. Can you name some of the stakeholders that you have?
For example, as a stakeholders, I have one product manager for each component of my satellite. I have responsible for each server and one responsible for each service which is on our servers.
All right. Will you be able to answer some of the questions that I can that I'll ask to your stakeholders, and or your stakeholders can answer that? Not only that, I'll be needing few points from you, which are the network topology of your system. Not only that, the functional description of each and every component and the organizational directory. Will you be able to help me out with this?
Yeah, I think if I ask to each of my stakeholders to go to do their parts, it should be okay.
No, that's great. Now, what we'll be doing is that once I'll have all the questions answered, we'll be analyzing it with various frameworks like ICAR, automation, and D4I. And once we do that, we will be able to answer. We take some of the actions. Also, by any chance, do you have a SOC team with you?
Yeah, we have a SOC team. It is a thing to the SOC team that we could detect all of the attacks because the SOC team have data from the whole network and from each computer and server. So our SOC team is very useful and can bring a lot of useful information.
No, that's great. Once we'll have all the information, we'll be choosing some of the actions. Do you know what this table is?
That table, I think it could be useful to get all of the actions and for each of the action to know the impact on the attacker, the cost for the company, and the effort to apply that action.
Yeah, that's great, and that's totally what we'll be doing, taking some of the actions, and then we'll be utilizing a prioritization framework called RICE to take which appropriate action that we want based on the score generated from it. Once we have that, we'll try and report all these, and every information will get to the SOC team, and the SOC team will be able to help us understand if the attack has been ended or not. And that's it. No, but that's not the case. After the end of the attack, We want to understand how we can recover, how we can share the information, and how we can evaluate. So in the end, the whole framework will help you to mitigate the situation during the attack, help you to be prepared before the attack, and also after the attack. Thank you so much.